In this video, you will learn how to add a countdown timer to your Shopify website. Shopify does not have a built-in countdown timer, so you will need to use an external app. Some popular ones are Hurrify, Countdown Timer, Sales Countdown Timer. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for timer apps like Countdown Timer or Hurrify. Then click Add App and install it. Once the app is installed, open the app from your Shopify admin account. Set the timer to count down for a specific product, collection or page. Customize the appearance of the timer, such as the colour, text, style, etc. to match your store's design. Then, choose a time frame for your countdown, such as limited time offer or flash sale. Then, depending on your app, you can add the timer directly to your home page, product page or cart page, or let some of the app take place in the timer in specific areas, such as the header, product description or as a pop-up. After setting up the timer, make sure you save your settings so the timer will go live on your store. If you prefer a custom solution, you can add a countdown timer with code. However, this is more advanced. Add the HTML or CVS or JavaScript code to your store's theme files. Then, use the countdown timer script and paste it into the appropriate section of your theme. Then click Save and Publish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.